Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren leads people in paying homage to Maharaja Gambhir Singh on his 186th death anniversary. And Manipur's badminton player Mairaba Luwang makes history by securing third junior world ranking in Badminton World Federation. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibetoy Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Art and Culture Department held the state-level observance of the 186th death anniversary of Maharaja Gambhir Singh at Maharaja Gambhir Singh Memorial Complex in Kanchipur today. Attendees commemorated the role of Maharaja Gambhir Singh in expelling Burmese from Manipur following the 7 years devastation. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren led people in paying floral tributes at the memorial. A team of Manipur Rifles also paid gun salute to the late king. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of Maharaja Gambhir Singh, Maidingu Narasingh and Hira Chandra at the memorial complex. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren reassured that the Naga issue will not affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. He stated that even the Nagas have assured not to harm the state's territorial integrity. Biren confessed that his last year's assurance to renovate the memorial complex could not be fulfilled owing to various issues in the state. Chief Minister Biren assured that the memorial will be renovated in the near future and names of all the kings who have ruled in the independent kingdom of Manipur from 33 AD onwards will be engraved at the memorial complex.
Gambhir Singh Maharaj Lairamdraba, Narasingha Maharaj Lairamdraba, Hira Chandra Thoamdraba, Nasi Equi Sumaina Lagadra Laidra, Sikh Kanbaduni, Equina Matok Daris. Aduki the Mutani, Aduki the Mutani, Equina Makuki Murti Saris, Murti Emas Harga and Ningsang, but Adunati. Equiki Manung the feelings, Wakalgi Manung the labor, Ireba Izati Nung Shijaba. Madun Ningsang Kanda Manipuria Pun Masakam Sagat for the Ligani, and similarly Nagagis in Lausha, what is say. My leaders in a Kauragai. No, Manipur to Gaiba, Manipur Gaiba, separately set by the no tono. I call historically mistake, history the day, mistake I am like Masi Manipur Katanate. How give us in Kautonaba, Nakina, Naknabase, Matukai and Natorkanda. Nasidina guys in Lausing Shu, Ruin of Haptarina. Manipur Yapun Musaktam Kairo Havigi, guarantee, lady in a lobby.
Speaking further, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren appealed to those who want to take up agricultural activities to form groups and visit Chief Minister's office. He assured to provide necessary financial and technical supports to them. Stating that 500 places are being identified to construct groundwater storage and 200 places for construction of check dams, he appealed to people to strive towards becoming self-sustainable by producing adequate food products. The Chief Minister also assured to make efforts to remove the Assam Rifles camp from the Manipur University campus. Ministers, MLAs, top civil and police officials and many people attended the event.
Manipur the both hill and the plain. Civil society organization or student organization or club or Maira Paibi Sabur Kang anybody. Aigi Mapam do that. Koi Gungunra Pulaga, I Dagasida, Telho Tage, Jagasda, Nga Yoke, any kind of farming, group, Shemakanda. Mapandagi Pusilak was a quick Chargum Sev. Mapandagi Pusilak Manga Sabakanda. Mapam Marankang the Laina, Mayama Pagi, Sil Nausin, Imai Sasimba, Nare Busixi. Kari the window of Mapani Puraga, Sadus Simarum Karigino. A quick in call later, Lam later, a quick could pandabra. At least a quick son of a power with the Conan of a Putok Sebeko.
United People's Front Manipur observed National Reconsolidation Day 2020 to commemorate Ningthau Chinglen Nongdrin Khomba, popularly known as Maharaj Gambhir Singh, on his 186th death anniversary today. Attendees paid floral tribute to the portrait of the late king at the memorial observance held at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound. Speaking to media, UPF President W. Second said it is high time to unite all the communities residing in the state and to build a united Manipur as envisioned by Maharaja Gambhir Singh. stating that Burmese invaded Manipur, leading to 7 years devastation from 1819 to 1826, which was the dark days of the state. He reminded that Maharaj Kambir Singh saved Manipur from further Burmese attack. The second appealed to unite against any outside forces trying to segregate the state. President of Jiliangrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Amukamai, President of Kuki Inpi Imphal, Mangcha Haukib, Associate Professor of GP Women College, Abdul Hakim Saha, President of Indigenous Minority Socio-Cultural Organization Manipur, Mom Sokam Bapui, and many people attended the event. Professor of Anthropology Department, Manipur University, MC Arun took part as resource person at the event.
ngasi hingminariba ekoi iramdam manipur sida taminariba ekoi phurup singa se magi oiba phurup ki wakal adom da ekoi chatlabra haibegi akiba du phaujara kanda ekoi je amuk ana khuntak la chigadra haibegi akiba du phaujabadagi United People Front UPM na heksa ponglakpadagi ngasi phawbada asigumlaba ining thawasina apunba manipur nation ama yamna nungsi chanana hingminaba ekoi punna leminagadamne haiba adumlaba ningthawaduna chatlamba liklambado ngasi ekoi mangda thana chatpagi mathau adu tare ngasi India government ekoi da divide rule policy mayam ama sanara kanda ekoi da machet tarak na siliba che ekoi gi ipai pu sing adu na charam liklam adu dagi ekoi na thaina chatpagi mahuta ekoi punna samina ra che haiba dugum phibam adu da ngasi ge ekoi gi 9 January asigum laba numit asida National Reconciliation Day haidon ekoi na pangthok chabane.
People have blocked the road connecting Sekmaijin with Kordak Hichil in Imphal Ways and the road from Sekmaijin till Arong in Kaching district indefinitely since this morning. Members of various associations of passenger services running on the two roads along with members of local clubs and Maira Paibis of the area jointly blocked the roads between Mayang Imphal and Hianglam constituencies. Speaking to Impact News, one protester condemned the authorities concerned for failing to repair the two roads despite their repeated pleas. He mentioned that the local MLAs have assured to repair the roads but failed to take any action till date. He highlighted the plight facing the locals due to the deplorable condition of the roads, especially during monsoons.
अखोई हाना चीफ मिनिस्टर सु अखोगी से पिसन बलाइग्रे अदुगा अखोगी लमदम सिदा लाइरिबा अखोगी इमाइबेल सिना अखोई म्याम सिन्था से लेपगा ngasi खोंजंगा से संजलसी अखोगी नोंग तारे हुजिक से खितंग हांगिबै ngasi नोंग नि लेबै फबनी लंबी से हेक्ट बुत्तोंगा बाउदा अखोई चटपा यादबेगी फिबम अमदा लैरबनी
इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की मखादा मणिपुर सरकार दा थादरिबा फंसिंग दा अखोई दा लैबै याबा अखोई खुदोंग चाबा अखोई लंबी थोंगी पैसा लेतब नते थाक्तब नते लोई थारैनी अदु मसे अखोइना तौरुबगी शक्ति लेतब सेमम दोगदो सेमबियो अखोइगी तौरिबा थबक से मयामगी सेलिबा लंबी खुदिमक मयाम सिंजे सिरंगी फनबियो हाइबनी याम हेना अखोइना गवर्नमेंट दा डिपार्टमेंट की कैनोदा अखोइना टोर्चर तौब नते.
Unknown miscreants shot that one non-Manipuri at the hillock of Tera Popi village and the Sekmai police station in Imphal West district in the wee hours today. The deceased is 33-year-old Nilesh Bapurao Jadhav, son of Bapurao Jadhav from Bara Bazar in West Bengal. According to Impact News sources, Bapurao sustained several bullet injuries. It may be mentioned that Bapurao Jadhav entered Manipur with a temporary inner line permit issued at Imphal International Airport yesterday. The body has been transferred to RIMS morgue. Sekmai police has registered a case and investigations are underway. PRO of proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party KCP People's Work Group Chinkai Nganba in a press release has warned of stringent actions against the staffs and administrators of Janet Academy for violating the ban imposed by the outfit on the school. The press release further said that the administrator, principal and owner of the school ignored their demands to clarify on why students of the school were made to appear for examinations under fake boards. The outfit has also warned the school van service operators, teaching and non-teaching staffs and students of the school to stop attending the school or else face harsh consequences. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on government's approval of over rupees 5,000 crore project for natural gas supplies in Northeast. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. The government has approved a viability gap funding (VGF) of 5,559 crore rupees to Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited to build natural gas pipeline grid covering 8 northeastern states. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs (CCEA) approved the capital grant in New Delhi yesterday. This is second such funding by the government for gas pipeline project. The total cost of the grid is 9,256 crore rupees and sanctioned VGF amount will cover 60% cost of the project. The 1,656-kilometer pipeline will connect Guwahati in Assam to major cities in the region such as Itanagar, Dimapur, Kohima, Imphal, Aizawl and Agartala. Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said the project is critical towards implementing the government's hydrocarbon vision 2030 for the Northeast. He said the gas pipeline grid would be developed in all the 8 states of northeastern region. The capital grant will provide natural gas supplies to various types of consumers and would help in substituting the liquid fuels. The government said that the pipeline grid would ensure reliability and uninterrupted natural gas supplies to the consumers which otherwise get severely affected due to various reasons in this part of the country. The CCEA also gave in principle approval to sell equity held by 4 central public sector enterprises and 2 state PSUs in Nilachal Ispat Nigam Limited. It approved strategic disinvestment of 49.78% equity shareholding of Minerals and Metals Trading Corporation Limited and 10.10% of National Mineral Development Corporation. The CCEA gave approval for strategic disinvestment of 0.68% of Mekon and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited each. Manipur's air shuttler Mairaba Luang has created history by clinching 3rd position in Badminton World Federation World Junior Ranking. French shuttler Christophe Pavlov has secured the 1st position while Liu Liang from China has bagged the 2nd position of the BWF World Junior Ranking. BWF placed Mairaba in the 3rd position, acknowledging his excellent performances in many BWF international champion competitions in 2019. It may be mentioned that Mairaba bagged 7 medals, including 1 gold medal in the Junior Badminton Championship on 2019. All Manipur Gymnastic Association in a press release notified that selection trials for those participating in the 55th Junior Artistic Gymnastic National Championship 2020 will be held at Kumalampak Indoor Stadium at 8:30 a.m. on January 12. The championship will be held at Baku from January 29 to February 1. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren leads people in paying homage to Maharaja Gambhir Singh on his 186th death anniversary. And Manipur's badminton player Mairaba Luang makes history by securing 3rd Junior World Ranking in Badminton World Federation.